Hello everyone, if you want your social media presence returns an extra revenue, or you love recommending cool stuff to your family and friends, maybe Temu Update is for you. In this video, I will teach you exactly how to sign up for Temu Update program. First, head to your web browser and search for Temu Update. Since I have it already, click the official website. Once you navigate the site, tap Get Started. Here at the bottom, select register or sign in with another account. So you have two options, whether entering your email address or using Google Sign Up. For now, I'll be using Google Sign Up and choose an account. Tap continue. So it's up to you if you want to receive a newsletter from Temu, so tap OK. After you sign up, you will be redirected into this affiliate dashboard. So for new user, usually you will get 100 pesos added into your balance account. And for every referral who downloads the app, you will get also 100 pesos. And once your referral make a purchase within 30 days, you will also get 30% commission. And for existing users, you will get 10% commission per order within the application. And also, if you are an influencer, you can get these benefits by clicking join to enjoy the benefits. All you have to do is to bind your social media platform here and click authorize. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.